Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series on unit testing in C# and .NET. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, when and who should write unit tests. Let's dive right in. When we should write unit tests. Unit tests are a fundamental part of the software development process. They are designed to verify that individual units of source code, such as functions or methods, work as expected. Writing unit tests should ideally be an ongoing process during the development phase. As soon as a new feature or functionality is implemented in the code, a corresponding unit test should be written. This allows developers to ensure that the newly implemented feature works as intended right from the start. Writing unit tests alongside the code also has the advantage of keeping the test up to date with the code changes. As the code base evolves and grows, so too should the unit test. This ensures that the tests remain relevant and continue to provide value in verifying the functionality of the code. The next question is, who should write unit tests? Unit tests are typically written by the developer who are implementing the feature or functionality in the software. This is because developers have the most in-depth understanding of the code they are writing and can therefore write the most effective test for it. However, the responsibility of writing unit tests shouldn't be limited to just the developer. In a collaborative and cross-functional team, other roles such as tester and business analyst can also contribute to writing unit tests. Testers often have a different perspective on what could wrong and can write tests that developers might not think of. Business analysts, on the other hand, understand the business requirements and can write tests to ensure that the software meets those requirements. In essence, while developers play a primary role in writing unit tests, fostering a culture of shared responsibility for quality can lead to more robust and reliable software. Everyone involved in the software development process should understand and appreciate the value of unit tests and contribute in their capacity. Before we move on to discuss why unit testing is important, if you are finding this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Now let's continue with our discussion. Writing unit tests allows us to catch bugs early in the development process, saving both time and resources. It also encourages us to write modular, decoupled code which is easier to maintain and understand. The next topic which I'm going to cover in this episode is Programmer's House. The Programmer's House is a set of guiding principles that programmers pledge to uphold in their professional practice. It was inspired by the Hippocratic oath that doctors take, emphasizing the ethical responsibility of programmers. Here is a breakdown of the principle. I will not produce harmful code. This principle emphasizes the responsibility of programmers to ensure that their code doesn't cause harm to users, systems, or data. This includes avoiding the introduction of security vulnerabilities, bugs, or performance issues. The second one, the code that I produce will always be my best work. This principle encourages programmers to strive to excellence in their work, ensuring that the code they write is of the highest quality possible. The third one, I will provide with each release a quick, sure, and repeatable proof that every element of the code works as it should. Here, there are some other principles that you could read them by yourself and try to get know about them. This also serves as a reminder of the ethical and professional responsibilities of programming. It guides you in your work, helping to ensure that you produce high quality, reliable, and secure software. Remember, unit tests are not an afterthought. They are an essential part of the development process that ensures the quality of your code. So start writing your unit test today. In our next episode, we will be covering the whole NUnit features. So stay tuned for that. That's all for this episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy coding!